Welcome to my channel. Since we're still in home quarantine, I had this idea to share with you guys some easy recipes to cook while we're at home. By these recipes, I'll start off with a can of sardines. Did you know that you can make a boring can of sardines into a great pasta dish? Oh yes! You can now enjoy your simple sardines by turning it into Sardines Spaghetti with fish balls. This dish will be much easier for us to achieve and it's budget friendly. Without further ado, let's get started. My ingredients are garlic, onion, tomato, salt, pepper, pasta, carrots, celery, egg, breadcrumbs, and the main ingredient is sardines. Make sure the sardines is separated from its sauce. We will first proceed by making the sardines fishball. In a bowl, add the sardines, carrots, celery, onion, and egg. Add some salt and pepper to taste. Mix it all slowly. While mixing, you'll notice that the mixture is still wet. This is where the breadcrumbs comes in. Add it little by little. More as needed until the desired consistency is achieved. Then scoop around 2 tablespoons of sardine mixture and mold it into a ball. After molding, dip it in a beaten egg and roll it over the breadcrumbs. Everything is covered up. Now deep fry the sardine balls in medium heat until it turns golden brown. Once it's cooked, let's set aside. At this point, we will now proceed in cooking the pasta and making the sauce. In a cooking pot, add some water and a tablespoon of a vegetable oil. Once it's boiling, add the pasta until it's cooked. Let's now make the sauce. In a pan, heat some oil. And saute the garlic, onion, and tomato. And add your sardine sauce, salt, and pepper to taste, and stir. Let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce reaches your desired thickness. The sauce is cooked. Now let's plate. In a plate, place the pasta, followed by your sauce. And lastly, your fish balls. Sprinkle it with cheese. And some bread on the side. Sardines spaghetti with fish balls. Now, let's taste it. Yum! I hope that you learned a lot from this video. Hit me up in the comment section when you make your sardine pasta. Also, my school, St. Dominic College Basic Education, now has its online enrollment ongoing. You can easily inquire and know more about our Dominican community. Enrollment made easy. Enroll now! For more, just like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!